everyone, welcome to week 2 of beginner level 1 salsa at the Salsa with Sylvia dance studio. All right, so this week, usually during week 2, we review everything that we've done so far and we add on. So what we're gonna do today is something called broken left turn. We're gonna review the footwork for the lead and the footwork for the follower. We're gonna put it together in a little combination. All right, so the footwork for both leads and followers is the same, but it's on a different count. So we're just gonna do it on the leads count to begin with. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We step to the right. 1, 2, 3, pivot, 6, 7. Okay, so let's break it down. For your broken left turn, basically you start going to the right, but you push off your left and you go in the opposite direction. You open up, and then with your right you turn 6, 7. Again, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now let's talk about the timing. So for the lead, you go directly into your broken left turn on the count of 1. For the followers, you go into your broken left turn on 5. So Mario is going to show the lead's footwork facing away from the camera. So we're going to do basic step and then the broken left. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, which is what we've been doing. For the follower, we're going to do a basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So you're going to find that most of the things for the follower happen on 5, 6, 7. And the lead does everything on 1, 2, 3. Okay, so partnering up, how do you lead broken left turn? We're going to go through one variation. Remember, different instructors teach different variations. Essentially, the footwork and the concept is the same. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Here comes 7. So this is something else that we may introduce during beginner level 1. It's called hair comb. You can do hair comb over the lead's head or over the follower's head, depending on the move that you're doing. So it's nothing else but just a simple drape over your head. You don't want to touch your hair or anything like that, and you let go, which is why it's important for the leads to be very flexible or loose with their arms, so that when he goes over, you follow. You're not stuck right here and not letting him do his hair comb. You follow, and then he lets go, and then we finish. Okay, so we're gonna do the broken left. Let's break down the lead. So 1, 2, 3. On 3, you basically kind of toss the hand to the side, and then you bring her left hand towards your right, and then 5, 6, 7, and you turn 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So this is just one way to lead broken left turn. There are other ways, but this is one simple way. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, toss. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. So I like this because it gives the lady a chance to style her arm up. So when your hand is free, try to style it somehow. If nothing else, just keep it up here, but don't hang it down there. All right, here we go. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, toss. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so Mario is going to talk about how the lead can do their broken left turn when dancing with a partner. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1. All right, so same footwork, and you basically kind of wrap your
In my
3 and 5, 6, 7. All right, so talk a little bit about the arms then.
1, 2, and 3, and the number 5 is my turn, but I put the hand here. So 5, 6, 7.
And ladies or followers, don't forget to keep stepping through your counts. Don't just stand there. While he's doing his turn, you're still stepping through your counts. So 1, 2,
and 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3.
All right. So we wanted to show you a little variation, which is basically, we're going to do broken left turn. I do it and he does it. But we're also going to do it with a crossbody lead. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. And then he does his turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right. So this basically reviews crossbody lead, which we learned in absolute beginner level. Let's look at it one more time. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Broken left for her. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. Over the head. Pull across. 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. He does his turn. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. So before we go into music, we're going to show you the footwork that we go over during beginner level 1 classes. And we're going to learn a move called crossover. So we're going to look into that. Here we go. So for the lady, for the follower on the right, for the lead, starting with the left, and we're going to do a basic. So followers start back, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. So this is called crossover step. We're going to do that in the beginning of our combination. So the entire combination looks like this. We're going to be practicing the outside crossbody lead at the end as well. So we're going to begin with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5. Crossover. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Broken left. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 2, 3. He turns. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic step. And then outside crossbody lead, which we learned last time. 7 and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Let's try it with music. 5, 6, 7, and basic. 5, 6, 7. Broken left for the follower. Broken left for the lead. Outside crossbody lead. From the top. 5, 6, 7. He turns. Outside crossbody. And that's it. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching. This was week 2 of beginner level 1. This is Mario, I'm Sylvia. We hope to see you again. For more information, go to www.salsawithsilvia.com.